2025 Lexus RX 350 exudes sophistication with its bold spindle grille, sharp LED lighting, and sculpted body lines. Brought to you by Arrowhead Lexus. Sleek and aerodynamic, it rides on available 21-inch alloy wheels, complementing its modern, sporty stance. A selection of premium paint colors and refined accents further enhance its striking presence. Powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine delivering 275 horsepower, the RX 350 offers a dynamic yet smooth driving experience. Its 8-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless shifts, while available all-wheel drive enhances traction and control. Whether cruising highways or navigating city streets, it delivers both power and efficiency. Passengers in the rear enjoy a spacious, well-appointed cabin with ample legroom and plush seating. Available reclining and heated rear seats add to the comfort, making long trips more relaxing. The optional panoramic sunroof enhances the sense of openness, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. Inside, the RX 350 showcases refined craftsmanship with premium materials, ambient lighting, and an ergonomic layout. Soft leather upholstery, wood or aluminum trim, and a driver-centric design create a luxurious yet functional space. Every detail is meticulously designed for comfort and sophistication. The RX 350 is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including a 14-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital driver display, head-up display, and optional Mark Levinson premium audio system provide an immersive experience. Over-the-air updates and advanced voice commands keep the system cutting edge. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 comes standard, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a pre-collision system. Additional options, such as a 360-degree camera and traffic jam assist, provide extra confidence behind the wheel. The RX 350 is designed to prioritize safety in every drive. Everyday convenience is effortless with features like a hands-free power liftgate, keyless entry, and a wireless charging pad. Multiple USB-C ports, a digital rearview mirror, and remote park assist add practicality to daily driving. With ample cargo space, it's ready for any adventure. Blending luxury, performance, and innovation, the 2025 Lexus RX 350 remains a standout in the premium midsize SUV segment. Its refined design, advanced features, and smooth ride make it an excellent choice for those seeking both comfort and capability on the road. You can view our selection at arrowheadlexus.com. Give us a call at 623-777-6552 or visit our showroom today.